3-year tenure as the Gujarat Chief Minister, Narendra Modi has handed over his resignation from the Chief Ministerial post to the Gujarat Governor. Well, this is an unprecedented moment as well in Gujarat, because at this point of time, he has concluded his 12-year stint as the Gujarat Chief Minister. We have Ashish joining us with more details. Ashish, Narendra Modi just met the Governor just few minutes back, and we understand that he's tendered his resignation as the Chief Minister of Gujarat.
That's right, Devina. Just before taking over his charge in the national capital as the Prime Minister of India, the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi has tendered his resignation. Just 10 minutes ago, he reached Raj Bhavan to meet Gujarat Governor Ms. Kamala Beniwal. If my cameraman can show, this is the exact compound where we're standing. Exactly is the compound where Raj Bhavan is, and on the left-hand side of this compound is Gujarat CM residence. On the right side of this compound is where the Raj Bhavan is. We saw Gujarat Chief Minister's convoy reaching Raj Bhavan just 15 minutes ago, and now we are getting this information from Raj Bhavan is that he has tendered his resignation to Gujarat Governor Kamala Beniwal. Quickly after that, he'll be directly heading towards Town Hall, where all the BJP MLAs will officially announce and select the. In fact, there, if my cameraman can show, this is the Narendra Modi's convoy. If my cameraman can show, he has tendered his resignation, and now just coming out of Raj Bhavan, the convoy you see on your screen is Narendra Modi's convoy, and this is a clear confirmation that Narendra Modi has left from Raj Bhavan after tendered his resignation. As I mentioned, he'll be directly heading towards Town Hall to convene a meeting of Gujarat BJP MLAs, where they'll be officially use Anandiben Patel as the next Chief Minister. I was speaking to some of the topmost ministers of Gujarat government. They informed me that they have unanimously selected Anandiben Patel as their next leader. It's just Narendra Modi's official stamp that they are waiting for, and we are told that in this meeting, which will start at around 4 p.m. in Town Hall, where Narendra Modi will announce Anandiben Patel as the next leader of MLA, and Anandiben Patel will be anointed as next Gujarat Chief Minister. As you were explaining, Devina, Anandiben Patel is considered one of the closest to Gujarat Narendra Modi. No more the Chief Minister now, Narendra Modi. Before he was declared BJP's PM nominee, he handed over the charge to Anandiben Patel unofficially, and Anandiben Patel was heading the group of ministers to run the state of Gujarat. We are yet to hear from the Governor Raj Bhavan's the advisors that what the exact kind of conversation which took place between Governor Kamala Beniwal and Narendra Modi. Back to you.
Well, be with us, Ashish. We also have Abhishek on this story, but we come back to you in just a bit as Narendra Modi steps into the national role. He has resigned as the Chief Minister of Gujarat at this point of time. Narendra Modi's convoy coming out of the Governor's house in Gujarat, where he has just submitted his resignation from the Chief Minister's post. And it will be difficult for the next Chief Minister of Gujarat to replicate Narendra Modi's success. A lot of expectations will be from the next Chief Minister of Gujarat. The front runner in the race is Anandiben Patel right now, the 73-year-old Revenue Minister of Gujarat.